Hey guys, welcome to Benitech. I am Habib Ali Usman. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compress the size of an image with your smartphone without wasting any time. And all the apps that we are going to use in the video are absolutely free. I will leave a link to them in the description below so that you can check them out. So before you dive into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell notification icon. Compress by image. So once you open the application, all you have to do is select your image, pick image. Once you select your image, let me see which image am I going to be using. Where is my camera image? So this one seems to be very large, so let me pick this one. Compress it. As you can see, the current size of this file, the original size of this file is 5.39 MB. So, and the current size is also, so let me just compress it. The quality should be original, default size and everything. As you just select now, it's 109 kilobyte, 110 KB approximately. So all you have to do is just click save and the app will ask you to rate it, so you can. The second application that we are going to be using is the Lit Photo. So once you open this app, all you have to do to ask you to compress, resize and crop your picture. So we are going to compress our picture, not resize it. So once we pick it, let's go and still use the image of that back again. Back. Let me see where it is. And use this image. Let me use this image of mine. Let me use this image is 7.7 megabyte. So just click take quality. So we ask you to, if you want to change the maybe the size to 500, if you want to reduce the size or increase it, I will leave it as default to maintain the resolutions. And you have some other options, maybe where you want to storage part and some other things. So let me just compress the files. Once it is being compressed, before it's 7.7 MB, now it's 2.7 MB. So it will also ask you to rate it. So maybe great, good, bad, it depends on your mood. Nice picture. This is the third application. So once you open the app, it will ask you to start. So select photo. Once you just select the photo that you want to compress, so well, let me use this one. Is 5.37 MB. So once the picture has been selected, okay, so compress photo. So now, as you can see, the file size is now 165 kilobyte. So thank you guys. Well, with all that, we have come to the end of today's video. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell notification icon, and also leave a comment in the comment section if you want to see more videos like this. That's me, Habib Ali Usman, signing from Benitech, and I'll catch you guys in the next